This is Paul with Mass Auto Sales in Riverbank. Independent dealership. We've been here over 15 years, same location here in Riverbank. And we're taking a quick look at our 2003 Ford F-250 Super Duty diesel crew cab short bed pickup. And let's take a look around the truck. It's got the tow hooks there in the front. It's got the oversized premium wheels, new tires, got a nice lift kit on there. Side running boards. And the body's in good shape. There's no real dents or scratches. And it's got a tow package. Spray and bed liner. And it's got the sliding rear window. And let's take a look at the engine compartment. And it's got the 7.3 Power Stroke turbo diesel engine. And we just checked everything out. Everything's good on it. We did the smog inspection, mechanical inspection. We also did the safety inspection on the truck. We checked the brakes and the lights, seat belts, everything. And these are really good motors. I've seen them up around 1 million miles or so. And here's a look at the inside of the truck. Interior's in good shape. There's no major rips or tears, anything on the interior, staining. Power windows and door locks. It's got a steering wheel mounted cruise control. 4-wheel drive control, brake, trailer brake controller. And it's got this one here also. And it's got a nice aftermarket stereo. It's got Bluetooth. You can play DVDs in there. USB slot, auxiliary. And the AC, everything's working good. It's got about 233 on the miles. And just look at the back seats. So it's got a total 6 passenger seating. You do 3 in the front, 3 in the back. And the rear seats are in good shape too. And it's a nice truck. Very clean. Clean title, Carfax report. It's got the nice lift kit on it. New wheels and tires. 7.3 diesel engine, 4-wheel drive, crew cab. Give me a call. Come on down, check it out. We got financing available for all kinds of credit situations. Good credit, bad credit. I've got lenders that will finance older vehicles like this. And they got some of the best rates and stuff available. And I'd be happy to go over that with you. So go ahead and give us a call, and we look forward to talking to you soon.